9 most popular diets. 1. What are the 9 most popular diets presented by the article? 1. Atkins diet. 2. The Zone diet. 3. Ketogenic diet. 4. Vegetarian diet. 5. Vegan diet. 6. Weight Watchers diet. 7. Salt fish diet. 8. Raw food diet. 9. Mediterranean diet. Two. What is a diet according to the red article? A diet is best described as a fixed plan of eating and drinking where the size and amount of food are planned out in order to achieve weight loss or follow a particular lifestyle. 3. Mention 2 principal characteristics of each of the 9 diets. 1. Atkins diet. A diet that aims to lose weight through low consumption of carbohydrates and control of insulin levels. The Atkins diet is high in protein, high in fat, and extremely low in carbs. 2. The Zone diet. It is a diet created by Dr. Barry Sears. Its goal is to prevent diet control inflammation. This diet seeks to achieve a nutritional balance: 40% carbohydrates, 50% fat, and 50% protein at each meal, and food rich in polyphenols. 3. Ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is relatively high in protein, high in fat, and very low in carbohydrates. The ketogenic diet involves reducing carbs intake and increasing fat intake, emphasizing healthy fats, avocados, coconut, seeds, nuts, bluefish, and olive oil. Through this diet, the body uses fat for full instead of carbs. 4. Vegetarian diet. There are different levels of vegetarianism. They all have in common the total elimination of beef, pork, and chicken. Lacto-vegetarian consume dairy products, cheese, milk, yogurt. Ovo-vegetarian consume egg products. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian consume dairy products and eggs. Although meat is not consumed in this diet, all the nutrients are obtained for good health. 5. Vegan diet. Vegans do not consume any animal products or wild products, so vegans of course do not consume red or white meat, fish or pork. They also do not consume eggs and dairy. Vegans do not use honey or beeswax, gelatin, and any other animal byproduct ingredients or products. Vegans typically do not use animal products such as silk, leather, and wool as well. 6. Weight Watchers diet. Weight Watchers focus on losing weight through diet, exercise, and support network. A point system is used so that each patient controls himself daily. 7. Salt fish diet. Salt fish diet is sometimes referred to as a modified low carbohydrate diet. Some whole carbs are replaced with complex carbs, and trans fats and saturated fats are replaced with unsaturated fats. Does not guarantee quick results. Focus on weight loss in a healthy way. 8. Raw food diet. The raw diet is based on raw, unprocessed, mostly organic foods, raw fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and sprouted grains. The idea is that eating food destroys nutrients and natural enzymes, which is bad because enzymes boost digestion and fight chronic disease. 9. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is considered one of the healthiest due to its variety and balance. It is based on vegetables, fresh fruits, such as lentils, beans, nuts, whole grains, seeds, olive oil, cheese and yogurt. They are the main dairy products. It also includes moderate amounts of fish, poultry and eggs, and small amounts of red meat and moderate consumption of red wine. 4. What is a Western-style diet? It is that unhealthy diet that is high in saturated fat, refined flour, and sugar, and processed products. 5. In your opinion, which ones are the best options to treat affections? Explain your answer. I consider that the Mediterranean diet is one of the healthiest due to the variety of its healthy foods and the balance of nutrients that they keep when combined.